Follow these steps for vacuum zipper bags with ports using the Presto FreshDaddy Vacuum Sealer with digital scale. The accessory port is located on the back of the vacuum sealer. Push the port adapter end of the vacuum tube into the accessory port and twist it a quarter turn clockwise and then counterclockwise 2 to 3 times to ensure a firm connection. Fill a zipper bag with the item you want vacuum sealed, avoiding putting anything directly under the bag port. Close the zipper by pressing inch by inch from one side of the bag to the other. It is important that the bag is fully closed. Lay the bag flat so the white plastic bag port on the outside of the bag is facing up. Plug the vacuum sealer in by rotating the protective rubber plug on the back of the vacuum sealer. Insert the power cord into the power cord port and then plug the other end into a wall outlet. Center and hold the vacuum adapter over the bag port. Press and immediately release the vacuum marinate button. The vacuum sealer will turn on, the button light will flash, and the display will show a weight. If the button light does not flash, you held the button down too long. Push the stop button and try again. If the button is pushed properly, the bag material will immediately begin to shrink around the food in the bag. Once a successful vacuum occurs, the adapter will stick to the bag port. A scrolling 1 pattern will show on the display. When the process is complete, the unit will automatically stop and the display will show the scale weight. After a few seconds, the adapter will fall off the bag port. Always remove the vacuum tube from the accessory port on the back of the vacuum sealer when sealing is complete. You cannot vacuum seal roll or pre-cut bags without ports when the tube is in place. If the bag does not shrink up, check to confirm the vacuum tube is securely attached to the accessory port and the zipper top of the bag is fully closed. Then, try sealing the bag again. If it still doesn't shrink up, the bag may have holes. Place the food in a new bag and try vacuum sealing again. If the vacuum adapter does not stick to the bag port or the bag fills with air after the vacuum adapter falls off the bag port, food particles may be stuck in the bag port or the zipper. Make sure that both are completely clean. The least little grain of food in either place may prevent the bag from vacuuming. To clean the bag port, remove the bag port cover by inserting a fingernail between the bag port cover and the bag port itself and pry the cover off. Remove and clean the bag port cover and red gasket in hot, soapy water. Rinse, dry thoroughly, and reassemble by placing the red gasket, nub side down, into the bag port and snapping the cover in place.